Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a demo of this app right here. You probably don't know, but I grow a lot of cuttings into full-blown plants in my house, and having something like this to help identify things I might find growing wild or whatever would really be beneficial. So I'm going to test it out and see how well it performs. Alright, this is the opening menu. Let's learn how to use the app. Give it light. Alright, take good pictures, focus it, frame it. Okay, don't take a picture of a single leaf. Alright, that makes sense. With no flowers or fruit this one, it might be a little difficult, but we'll try. Alright, looks like you do have some sponsored ads down at the bottom, but if the app is free, I can understand that. This is my messy work area. This is my storage room I use as a makeshift greenhouse. As you can see, the collection of plants is monstrous and growing. There's a few more other places in the house. This is where they thrive. So I have a bunch of cuttings here, and I know what a good variety of these are already, but I want to test it and see what kind of results it gives us. I do believe this is a sweet potato vine that is starting to root. Done. See what comes up. Yes, it came up. Awesome. So does it give us any more information on it? Because I've never grown a sweet potato plant before. Let's see. It gives lighting conditions, watering conditions, and I guess temperatures. I guess it can handle up to 31 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, the very low temperature. It's poisonous. But just the seeds and their roots. Okay, so this would grow sweet potato. It's not just called sweet potato vine because it looks like it. It's actual sweet potato vine. Good to know. Now let's try this plant and see if the background matters. This is a piece of basil. I grew it from seed and took this cutting off. It says no flowers, so let's see what it says. Does it get it right? No, that's not it. That looks like a snake plant. More options. Looks like you can send an image to be identified. Or ask for support. To get a little bit of the flower. Let's see how it does. It just doesn't seem to want to pick it up. Alright, this plant still has the tag in it from when I bought it. And see if it can identify that. It did bring it up as one of the options, the polka dot plant right here, so I'm impressed by that. You can kind of just go through the photos and see what it is. Now this is a house plant that I don't really know what it is. I randomly got these two pieces of it. Let's see if it finds it. It might be a variety of devil's ivy. I have other kinds, but they usually have this beautiful striped design on them. This might be it. No, that has the beautiful red flowers. No. Okay, I'm going to click on the top result and see if it gives us any more pictures to help us identify. Yeah, it could be this. It definitely could be. I wouldn't be surprised if that's what this is. That? Yeah, this one right here looks like a tuber in a way. yeah, it definitely could be this. So here we are on the homepage / community page. I imagine this is where you can share pictures of your plants. I just want to thank everybody for watching this video and getting up to this point. Please comment below how you would use this app. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and bye y'all.